Hello and welcome to our Scotland. I've not been out for a wee while because of my arthritis. I'm playing up, but I've upped my medication, so I'm back. So I tried to do Crookston Castle before, but it didn't work out that well. Now I've got more used to my drone. Alright, look at you. Hello. Nice dogs though, eh? Lovely dogs. There, aren't they? You seem a bit friendly, you, don't you? He wants to say hello. So, we've got 3 cameras today. Got the GoPro, we've got the phone, and we've got the drone. So it's a nice sunny day, and it's the first real sunny day that we've had. It's been raining quite a lot here in Scotland, and to have a nice day like this is just unbelievable now. There's a lot of hazards here. I've got to look for the best place to take off the drone, because there's the castle there, but there's a lot of trees. So this is apparently it's the only castle in Glasgow. We're in sort of Pollock area, a place called Crookston. That's Crookston Castle, obviously. This is Crookston. But it's highly residential around here, and Pollock is the largest housing scheme in Glasgow, so it covers a great distance. And if you go Greater Pollock, then you're going Nits Hill, Priest Hill, Darnley, all them areas, and obviously Crookston, part of Pollock. There's the castle itself. Now, the story is, and we'll put more of the story up in the description. Lord Darnley and Mary.Queen of Scots courted here, and this is where they stayed, in Crookston Castle. Let's see, this might be a good place to take off here, because there's not right through there, but I need to see if there's a better place. As you can see, it's very sunny today. I'm going to point the camera straight at the sun. I'd like to thank all you who subscribe to the channel. I'm now over 100 subscribers, even though I haven't really been doing that much, but I intend to do more in the future. But if you find the channel interesting, or there's something in it that interests you, please like and subscribe. And if you think it might interest someone else, then if you share it, that would be brilliant. Then I can build my channel. I don't really see myself as a YouTuber, not yet anyway. Just doing this as a wee hobby. But it gets me out, gets me walking. I don't think I'm going to go from here. What's that bird up there? Oh, it was a big bird. Don't know what it was. Some kind of hawk or something. I don't think I'm going to go up there. That doesn't look like a good idea to me, because it looks a bit slippy. Me being an old duffer, it would probably make me fall and slip. and I would probably break my hip or my leg or my head or something. So I'll get back and I think I'll launch it from where I thought I could. There's another wee view of the castle up there. That's a cracking view. Now, I don't think you can actually, there doesn't seem to be any direct access into it. So, good job with the camera there, that got me right in the eye. There is a house up here, and I don't know whether they're the people that actually look after the castle. It could be, but there might be a wee road up to the house. Have a wee check down there. Let's see. That's an interesting tree there, isn't it? It's a lovely tree. I like that tree. That's very, is that a weeping willow? Looks like something like that, doesn't it? Big droopy branches. I might be able to get up close to the castle if they let me in. I'll go and shut the door and see if I can get in there. It'd be much better if I could get closer to the castle. They don't make enough of that castle. You'd think it would be a big tourist attraction, because it is apparently the only castle in Glasgow. So I would have thought that the council would have made more of it. There's a wee path that must go up to the house. It's a lovely clear day today. Let's say it's the first really good day we've had for a while, considering it's middle of November. But we quick weather forecast here, by the way. We were told that we might be getting 4 days of heavy snow in the middle of November. So we'll see how that pans out. Well, this does lead up to the house. Oh, that sounds lovely. I didn't need my jacket. There's some notices on the door here, on the gate. Castle closed. Thursday and Friday. It reopens on the 18th of November. Site is protected by law. It's an offence to damage in any way. No metal detectors. Well, it's a good job I bought a drone instead of a metal detector, isn't it? It's free entry. The last time I came, I launched my drone from round here. I wonder if I could do the same now. It's not very slippy here, and it's not very hilly. As I say, this was the very first time I took the drone up was here, and I didn't really know what I was doing. But I've got more experience on it now, having done a few drone flights. So not only am I becoming a YouTuber, I'm also a pilot. Oh, a pilot, me. And they told me at school I'd never amount to nothing. There it is there. Crookston Castle. Right, I think I'll get the drone up. bit weird. I don't know, return to home. Maybe I done something to it, I don't know, maybe I touched something. But that's Crookston Park. Crookston Castle, sorry. Crookston Park. Crookston Castle. And let's put this together. Tell him an old duffer, a young one who had that in already. Young one would have had that in. There we go. You're in. And you're in there as well. I think the coat will be coming off when I do the next video. I'm going to bash up, aren't we? That's quite good.